Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today I'm going to go through a quick tool haul that I picked up today. I do some online auctions and found some really cool tools. And sit back, relax, and check out what I've come up with. And let's go. So let's go through this box and see what we got. Plain Jane Torx a T10, chrome, nickel, Taiwan, Greystone. We've got a wood handle flat blade. I'm not seeing a name on here. Defiance, $12.99, USA, one of the Stanley Defiance. This belonged to Sally. 8-inch adjustable wrench. Well, Sally, it's mine. A brass hose bib thing, an Irwin 300 wood handle screwdriver, a no name black, probably an auto kit screwdriver, flat blade. Here is a snap-on plus, or Phillips snap-on. We've got this little pair of brown handled, why is it not focusing? It says Sheffield, England. A green lumber, someone lumber, and this is a Lutz, and green. A pair of vice grip, 6-inch vice grip. Don't know if you can say that. Made in the USA, so this is real deal vice grip. Got a Yankee push drill. With bits. An opener for paint. Pair of little tiny scissors. A Japanese 7-inch pair of tin snip scissors. It says Japan right there. Another wood handle screwdriver. Couple more Ace Hardware. Ooh, Ace Hardware. Paint can openers. And a Stanley. Kind of a Stanley stamped thing. Let's go on to. Okay, here's the next box of the auction haul. This is kind of a cool little deal. This Max Tech. You push up, spin it over, And then it has all these bits in it. So you can just kind of put it in, and you got a variety of bits. So I thought that was cool. Oh, a wire stripper made in Taiwan. We've got this kind of beveled socket. Not sure, probably 1/2 inch. Oh wait, 5/8. I don't know what this is for or where it goes to. Doesn't appear to be a spark plug socket, but it probably could be, and they just pulled the rubber boot out. Got a Stanley poundy thing. Looks like a brick chisel. Ace tap. Or a die. And we got this thing. Not sure what this is for. Your famous knife. A carpet knife, sod knife. When I worked at a golf course, we used these for cutting sod. A Phillips Oma. Relatively good condition. Another knife. We'll have to clean it up and see what brand. These are just, you know. Caroline. Anybody know that brand? Got a Stanley. I think it's a Stanley. Handyman. Pokey thing. Another Stanley. Got a pair of divider, Union Tool Company dividers. Ooh, a Motor Spec Duluth. This would be from the Diamond Caulk and Horseshoe Company when they started putting pliers together. They had Motor Spec. Motor Spec was kind of the motor toolkit. I've got a couple other ones. Maybe I'll do a video on Motor Spec. But this is my second Duluth Diamond Spec pair of pliers. Speaking of Motor Spec, here is the Crescent brand of Motor Spec. So I will definitely do a video on Motor Spec pliers. Ooh, a Great Neck Spain pair of side cutters. We've got a drop forged Steelcraft quality product chisel. That's kind of cool. Cool that it still has that on there. Nail puller. This is J.M. Johnson. W.M. Johnson. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but little tack puller. That's cool. Gam China. Paint can opener. Pokey thing. A stubby screw Felipe Phillips. No name on this. Knife guide, patent pending, made in the USA. Garden tools, scissors, shears. It's a sharpening. Ooh, and there's a glass cutter at the end. Wonder who made this. Don't know. No name. Phillips. A USA Phillips. Stanley Phillips. A tiny Stanley Phillips. Tiny Torx. Anybody know what this goes to? Yep, putting my boots on. Might just have to clean this shoehorn up. And it's got these little bumps on the back. I bet you this was for a pair of golf shoes. Take the spikes on and off. And this is a Yankee Handyman. With a few bits in it. Well, folks, what do you think? Hopefully you enjoyed my little tour of my tool haul. I think I got some pretty good items. The Defiance utility knife and a few other trinkets and bits. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Faust or Bonnie Tool Collector. Links are below. And until next time, stay safe. Check you later. Check you later? Check you later? Who says that? Check you later.